What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is just a quick update about the Take Finance. So it's been 24 hours. So that means my investment has expired. So it's available for claiming. Okay. But before I jump into that, let's go over to the statistics and let's see what's up. Okay. So 1 day old, 333 and 13K invested, 60K withdrawn. Okay, so still a lot of money inside the smart contract. Okay, 318 members, and let's scroll further down and let's see the latest statistics. Okay, last deposits, we can see people are still depositing and people are still making withdrawals. Okay, shout out to Nana Crypto. Let's go over to my dashboard. Let me log in real quick and let's jump right into the withdrawal. Okay, so we are in. So this is my dashboard. So now I'm gonna go over to withdraw, and scrolling down we can see the money that I have available for withdraw. Okay, I'm gonna select the minimum withdrawal. I think is $10 or $5, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna select this one, BEP20 Tether. Okay, and my wallet address, like I showed you in the previous video. Before you make your deposit, set up your accounts. Okay, make sure you add your address where you're going to receive your funds. Okay, so now we're going to type in the amounts that I want to cash out. Okay, and we're going to hit request. Okay, so when you hit request over here, it's just a summary about what you're doing. Okay, the coin that you are going to withdraw, the wallet that you're going to send the funds, the amount that you're going to receive, and that's it. Okay, so you hit confirm and boom, voila, there you go, the money is gone. So if you come over here to my MetaMask wallet, we can see that this will be updated. Okay, it takes a few seconds, but once that's done, and you know, you can do whatever you want with that funds. Okay, so that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I just wanted to give you an update about Take Finance, still up and running. I'm not sure how long it will last, but while it lasts, it makes money. Okay, so again, guys, not financial advice, only invest capital that you are comfortable to lose if something goes wrong. That being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.